Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I've done a ton of videos on my channel talking all about how to grow your YouTube channel and how to start a YouTube channel, and I thought I would do a video on video ideas that will help build your channel and help your channel get that traction that you want. So I'm going to be naming 70 plus video ideas. So if you kind of have a block too, hopefully this will inspire you and maybe give you an idea or two. I know one of the most common comments on pretty much every YouTube channel is, hey, I'm a small YouTuber, subscribe to my channel, check me out. And doing spam like that is not a good way to grow your channel organically. It's important to focus on the actual content you create, and if you're creating good content, people are gonna find your channel and are going to subscribe to you. For the purpose of this video, if you guys want to comment down below your YouTube channel, definitely do so. I would love to check out a bunch of you guys. Feel free to do that. And on that note, let's just jump right into the video. I need some water. It's gonna be a long list. The first one brings me to a realistic morning routine or a realistic nighttime routine. If you're a high school student, doing a high school morning routine is great, or if you're a college student, doing a college morning routine is great. Sticking on to the college theme, a few ideas that are super popular right now is doing a day in the life of a college student, or just doing a college vlog in general. College move-in days are super popular, or dorm room tours, or anything having to do with decorating your dorm room. If you don't live in a dorm and you're just not a college student, you can always go for a room tour or doing a whole room transformation. If you guys have been a longtime OG viewer, you know that this room used to be purple and I did a complete room transformation and filmed it, and I find those videos do really well. People love to see any room decor type videos. Next is cleaning your room videos. These do super well, and I know they have done so well on my channel. They're some of my most viewed videos to this day, and people love watching those. Or you could do a closet clean out. And speaking of closets, if you have a small closet like myself, they are actually really popular, doing some videos around small closet organizing ideas or small closet organization tips. Those do really well, and I actually want to do one of them, and I haven't gotten around to it, so I need to do that ASAP. Another one is trying everything in your closet. These videos are super trendy right now. Cleaning your entire house videos, cleaning your entire apartment videos. And speaking of that, you can always go for a house tour or an apartment tour. People love to see how people decorate their spaces, and they just, you know, a lot of us are really nosy. Hygiene routines, these do really well on my channel, and I just find anything when it comes to hygiene people are interested in, and as well as skincare routines. So sharing your favorite products for your skincare, whether you have dry skin, oily skin, or combo skin. How-to videos also do really well on YouTube, and I know they are some of my most viewed videos. This can go through all the different genres of YouTube channels, but personally speaking, from experience of having like a lifestyle channel, beauty, fashion, all that, things that have worked for me is things like how to get rid of dandruff, how to get rid of a pimple, how to whiten your teeth. So anything that has to do with that does really well, because these are things people are searching up. I find when people have a problem or want to fix something, they'll go on YouTube and search how to and whatever it may be. Healthy habits you do every single day. Period routines or anything period related do pretty well, whether that is a period routine or period hacks, period tips and tricks to make it easier, and I find they also are very useful as well. Trying ASMR for the first time. ASMR is so popular right now, and these have been really trendy. And speaking of ASMR, even just doing any sort of ASMR video, whether that's ASMR for sleep triggers, those are really popular. And to be honest, they really do work, I'm not gonna lie. Easy, quick, healthy breakfast ideas, easy, quick, healthy lunch ideas, or easy, quick, healthy dinner ideas. Speaking of food, mukbangs are popular. Mukbangs, I never know how to say it, but you guys know what I mean. Ordering what the person in front of you ordered for 24 hours. I literally wanted to do this, and I still haven't gotten around to it, but they are so fun to watch, and I love these videos. Or doing any 24-hour challenge is super popular right now. How to grow your YouTube channel, so sharing all your tips and tricks and how to grow your Instagram, so sharing your tips and tricks for that, how to edit or film your YouTube videos, so showing all the equipment that you use and all the little secrets that you do behind the scenes, how to make money online. Another one that's really popular right now is kind of sharing how much you make on YouTube or how much your top viewed video makes. These are just really popular. People are really nosy when it comes to this, and it's also something not a lot of people talk about, so if you're comfortable, this could be a good video idea. Or how to make money as a teenager. These are also really trendy. Hair hacks. I know I do a ton of hair hack videos and a lot of them have done so well. Or even just doing hairstyle ideas for short hair or hairstyle ideas for long hair. Fashion hacks, a try-on clothing haul, a try-on swimsuit haul, or a swimsuit collection. If you're comfortable with that, this is totally a popular idea to do as well. New Year's outfit ideas or like party event outfit ideas, seasonal outfit ideas, whether it is winter outfit ideas, summer outfit ideas, spring outfit ideas, or fall outfit ideas. A lot of these are really popular when you do big amounts of outfits. So if you do like 50 fall outfit ideas or 100 summer outfit ideas, people love watching those type of videos. School outfit ideas that are dress code appropriate. These do really well as well, especially near when it's back to school season. How to style a basic outfit. So taking a plain outfit and doing your little tips and tricks or hacks. These are really great as well, or doing a thrift with me video, thrifting haul, or a thrift flip video. Boy advice videos do really well. What boys actually think about girls, or any advice on how to get a girl or guy, so crush tips and tricks. Any sort of interesting story time, so if you have any story time that's interesting that you think people would love to hear. I know I've uploaded a few juicy story times. My life isn't that interesting, but once in a while some crazy things happen. Telling stories do so well because people love the juice, people love the tea spilling, so most likely those are gonna do really well. But of course, do not make them up. Be authentic and be real. Your experience working at a popular workplace. So I know a lot of the times people's videos were going viral when they did their experience working at Brandy Melville or working at Victoria's Secret. Giving your experience on that whole thing do really well. How to edit aesthetic videos on your phone, how to edit aesthetic photos on your phone. Anything with aesthetics is just very in right now. Apps for aesthetic videos, apps for editing photos, what's on my iPhone videos do really well, or unboxing the new iPhone. So whenever the new phone comes out, if you end up getting it, doing an unboxing video does really well. Glow up videos, so doing any sort of makeover transformation video, 10-minute at-home workout, so whether it's a 10-minute ab workout, 10-minute leg workout, 10-minute arm workout, a week of workouts, so sharing everything you do from Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday, a boyfriend or girlfriend tag, tech unboxings or tech reviews, dupes on expensive items, whether this is makeup or clothing, or as well as dupes on Amazon. I know a lot of people were doing dupes of designer luxury items from Amazon, and those were doing really well. Playlist / song list recommendation video, a shop with me video, a review or first impression on any product, especially if you know that it's a really popular product. Being one of the first to put up your review or impressions on it is gonna do really well. So if a new makeup product comes out, a new tech product comes out, there's so many things, and those do really well because people are gonna be obviously searching up reviews about it. A book recommendation video / book haul, so if that's your channel's around that, that's really popular as well. A travel diary video. If you ever vacation, just making a montage of your vacation, those do really well, or even doing hotel room tours. I know I did one when I went to Vegas, and that one actually still grows to this day, and people are just interested, especially if they're gonna vacation there. People like to search it up. I know whenever I vacation somewhere, I try to find to see if someone has a YouTube video at the hotel to see how it looks like. A music cover of any popular song, whether you're doing a cover of Ariana Grande or Billie Eilish or Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift, those are all gonna do really well. Whatever's popular in the moment, doing covers are gonna do well. Or even reacting to any videos, so whether you're reacting to the new music video, whatever it may be, reacting videos also do really well. Videos about celebrities, I did a whole bunch of series of celebrities, and those always did really well. I did videos on on eating like a celebrity, on hair hacks of a celebrity, on beauty hacks of a celebrity. So I've done celebrities of Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner videos, I've done Ariana Grande, Selena Gomez, and they do really well because any sort of video around celebrities typically do well because people are constantly searching up those celebrities and they have really big fan bases as well. So it gives you that attention of their fan bases to you, and maybe they'll come and subscribe to you as well. And the last video idea is doing this video right now. So even just giving your own video ideas, this is always a great video to do. It gives people ideas and it inspires people, and it also helps out new beginners that come to YouTube. Those are all of my video ideas. I think I actually did way more than 75. It probably was like in the 80s, I would say. I hope you guys got something out of this and it gave you some more ideas, especially for the new year 2020. People are always wanting to start a YouTube channel, so I hope this was useful. Thumbs it up if it was. I will have my Instagram down below if you guys want to follow me. I would love it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I upload every single week, and when I put this up, it will be right before New Year, so I hope you guys have an amazing New Year, and I hope that you had a good 2019 and an even better 2020. So I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!